na pa kita hinihintay. May iba din akong pinasali, kaya lang wala din, oh. Sige, so ikaw na lang.
Okay, coach.
Speaking tayo. After ng speaking, writing task 1. Okay? Oh, last meeting natin ngayon eh. Oh, ready ka na?
Okay, coach.
Nag-book ka na ng test, hindi pa?
Hindi pa, coach.
Yung mga homework, gawin mo yung mga homework, ha?
Okay, okay, coach.
Yung mga homework, bago ka mag-take ng test. Baka mahirapan ka sa actual pag hindi mo natapos yung mga homework. O, sige, start. So don't forget the 8 important things. Okay, sa speaking. Ano yung 8 important things sa speaking?
Yan na.
Sige, ano yung 8 important things? Tandaan mo kung ano yung 8 important things. Oh.
Wala na.
8 important things. Okay. Answer in 4 or more sentences. Lagi kang sumagot ng 4 or more sentences. Kada question sa part 1 tsaka sa part 3. Okay, ganun lagi ha. Use sequence connectors. Gumamit ka ng sequence connectors. Use high-level words. High-level words. Napaka-importante ng high-level words ha. Use the 3 ways to paraphrase. 3 ways to paraphrase. Importante niya 3 ways to paraphrase. Okay? Tapos, idioms. Isa pa yung idioms. 4 types of sentence structures. Huwag mong kalimutan yung complex sentence sa compound complex sentences. Okay? Tenses of the verb. Present tense, past tense. Babantayan mo yung mga yan. And of course, yung intonation. Okay? Yung intonation. Importante din yan. How you sound. Ready na?
Okay, try.
Right. Wala ka ng choice. choice. Okay, let's start. Don't forget lahat ng answer mo related dapat sa question. Ang tanong ngayon, nanood ka ba ng mga videos ng mga speaking test ko na ginawa?
Nung kahapon, ay nung Wednesday, coach, kahapon. Nung Wednesday, nanood ako, nung nalate ako, nanood ako ng mga speaking test
Okay.
ng videos mo.
Okay, good. All right, sige. So let's start. What's your name, please?
My name is Eileen Joyce Ringor, but my family and friends prefer to call me AJ for short. Basing from my research before, my name was derived from a Greek name, which is originally Helen. That means shining bright light. And Helen of Troy gave the name, gave this name Eileen.
Mm-hmm.
She was a goddess of beauty. So my second name is Joyce. So obviously it means a happy or joyful person. So when you combine these two names, it means a happy, beautiful person.
Okay, very good. All right. And where are you from?
I hail from La Union,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
I live from the north, and my town is called Bangar. And originally, our product is weaving blankets and making a lot of
Mm-hmm.
we
Okay. Sige. All right. What do you do?
right now I'm not I'm an ex OFW or uh, OFW, and I was a caregiver before for almost 8 years in Israel. And being a caregiver, you need to be more patient, and you should be you should empathize your patient, and you and being a caregiver, you need to provide, to groom, and to do the activities that your patient cannot do,
Okay.
and
Very
help
good.
her to be independent also.
Okay. All right. Good job. Good job. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about snacks. What snacks do you like to eat?
During the day, I I love to eat snacks such as cold cold snacks, because now the weather is hot. I prefer to eat cold snacks such as uh the so-called halo-halo in our language, and this
Okay.
contains uh, fruits or fruits and also some sweetened sweetened ingredients.
Okay.
And,
Good. All right. Did you often eat snacks when you were young?
uh, when I was young, I always love to eat snacks, especially when I am with my family. So we we really love to share our snacks together, and we we love to eat more nutritious snacks. So we better cook fruits like kamote or banana, and eat it together with the family.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Do you think it is healthy to eat for you to eat snacks?
Uh, for me, I think eating snacks is healthy, but it
Mm,
should depend on what food are you going to eat. So when you eat snacks, you should prepare the things that are nutritious and also the nutritious and that will give a lot of that will give you energy for the day.
okay. Okay. That's good. When do you usually eat snacks?
I usually eat snacks during at the noontime after in the afternoon,
Mhm.
and that's it. I love to eat during
Oh,
the daytime, but usually
okay.
at the afternoon.
All right. All right. Let's move on and talk about weather. What's the weather like where you live right now?
I live in the north, so basically it's really hot here, and we usually do at home is we always stay hydrated. We always make sure that we always take a bath almost 3 times a day maybe or twice a day, and being hydrated you will eventually help yourself not to be
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So do you prefer cold or hot weather?
when for me I prepare cold because I used to live in a colder place, which is
Mm-mm.
Israel. So when
Mhm.
I came home for good, I really I'm not used to be in a hot weather anymore. So I'm making up.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Are you in the habit of checking the weather forecast?
Not really, but since the weather is becoming hotter and hotter every day, I usually look on my phone and check whether the weather will become lower or it will become uh higher in the higher.
Okay. Okay. What do you think are the effects of climate change in recent years? It's a good question.
The effects of the climate change in recent years.
Mm-hmm.
I think for me one of the effects or the effects of the climate change. So the effects of the climate change in every year.
The effects of climate change in recent years. So, pag ganun, it doesn't matter kung anong year, basta effects of climate change ka na lang. Focus
The
ka doon.
effects of the effects of climate change. Oh, as one of the effects that I observed is uh drought because
Mm.
the weather was too humid. Uh, water should plants are becoming dry and they are needed to be watered, and also um, there are lots of animals that that's passing away because of the weather,
Mhm.
because of the changes of the climate.
Okay,
And
okay, that's cool. That's cool. All right, let's move on to part two of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? All right. Oh, you can write notes if you like. You have 1 minute preparation time. Okay, there you go. This is your topic. Okay, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk, and you can start.
okay, there is a garden that I usually go with before when I was working in Israel.
Mhm.
I usually go there with my patient or my employer. It is greeny, and there is a park where children could play, and the park is called Stan Sacher. In I like this park because it makes my patient feel at ease, and the surrounding is serene. And this is located in Jerusalem, Israel. And we just live a block away from the park. Yun lang nasulat ko.
Oh, don't forget, that's 2 minutes. You need to make sure you make story. Kasi 2 minutes yan. Hindi titigil yung examiner yan. Mag-aantay yan sa'yo na matapos yung 2 minutes.
So, sir, maybe yung pagpananalita ko din dapat hindi
Hindi nga.
mabilis.
Hindi nga. Hindi. Mali
Kaya,
yun.
so,
Kasi ang pangit pakinggan nun kung bagal mo magsalita, di ba?
okay.
Kaya nga sabi ko, gumawa ka. Kasi kung sasagutan mo lang yung mga questions na yan, aabot ba yan ng 2 minutes? Hindi aabot ng 2 minutes yan. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, gumawa kayo ng kwento. There was one time when we went to that garden, I was with my family. It was very peaceful. Okay, I went there to just relax. I saw many people running around. Okay, and I saw my friend. So we chatted for a while. We talk about blah blah blah. Okay. Oh, describe mo yung garden na yun. Gawa ka ng kwento. Kasi kung sasagutan mo lang yung mga questions na yan, 30 seconds lang yan. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, gumawa kayo ng kwento. Hindi pwedeng mag-rely kayo sa answer nyo sa questions na yan. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, gumawa kayo ng kwento?
Yes, sir.
Gawa ka ng kwento related dyan. Sige, continue. Sige, gawa ka. Try to make your own story para umabot. Kasi hindi titigil yung examiner kapag 1 minute pa lang yan. Ako, mababa score mo yan.
Okay.
Sige, gawa ka ng kwento. Sige, try mo.
Okay. My I usually go there with my granny, or I call her in Hebrew term sabta, which means grandmother. And usually when we go there, we I saw a lot of people chatting, and since my patient was a former lawyer before, and she loves
Hmm?
to smoke even if she's demented, it was a place where she's doing it freely. So it's an open air, so she cannot she will have a free space to smoke, and not and she will not she has a free space to smoke.
Mhm.
And for me, whenever I'm there, uh it's also my free time to do my thing. I can also talk to my family in the Philippines, and my friends. So staying there in that garden makes me feel more comfortable, because whenever we stay in the house, in her apartment, the apartment was too small. So I prefer to go out twice a day whenever there's a chance to go out with her.
Yun, very good. O, di ba? Gumawa ka lang ng kwento, hindi pwedeng, ayan, dapat ang tandaan mo ha. O,
Okay, okay,
kung nanood ka
coach.
ng mga videos ko, dapat alam mo yun kasi yun ang ginagawa
Oh,
ng
no,
mga
no.
students ko.
Yeah. Oh, yung,
Kasi
oh,
kung yung questions lang diyan ang sasagutan mo, hindi aabot ng 2 minutes yan, mga 30 seconds lang yan, tapos ka na. Kasi sinagutan mo lang yung mga questions, pero dapat gumawa ka ng kwento. Okay, gawan mo yung kwento sa garden ba yun? O, 'di ba? Gawa ka ng kwento. Nakita kami ng friends ko doon, tapos yun, ang saya-saya namin, o, 'di ba? Ganun lang sumagot sa part 2 ha. Gumawa ka ng kwento para humaba siya. Pero syempre, related siya doon sa topic.
okay.
Okay? Oh, ganun lang
Okay,
siya. Oh,
coach.
very good, very good. Konting practice pa sa part 2 ha. Okay naman yung part 1 mo. Maganda yung mga sagot mo sa part 1. Actually, yung part 1 maganda yung mga sagot mo. Dito lang sa part 2, medyo yun nakulang kasi yung sagot mo sa
Nakulang
part
ang
2.
sagot.
Oh, pero hindi ka
Okay,
naman babagsak doon. Kung siguro naayos mo yung part 2, baka nasa 6 ka pataas. Most likely baka 6 or 6.5 'yun. Yung score mo doon. Pero kinulang ka sa part 2, malamang nasa ano ka lang doon, either 5 or 5.5. 5 or
okay.
5.5. Pero maganda yung answers mo sa part 1. Okay? Oh, good job, good job. Ha? Sige. So ikaw lang mag-isa, wala si ano. Ano nangyari? Yung iba din na pinasali ko, hindi rin sumali. O ano na tayo? Writing task 1. Okay,
Okay.
writing task 1 tayo. Sige. Don't forget, yung writing task 1 is only 20 minutes. Dapat alam mo yung structure ha. Huwag mong kakalimutan yung structure ng writing task 1. Sige, ito yung topic mo. 20 minutes lang to ha. Yan, kuha lang ako ng topic. Kuha ka ng papel tsaka ballpen. So, dapat ma-identify mo kung anong klaseng ano to. Letter to. Start tayo. I'll share my screen. Ito yung topic mo sa writing task 1. Ayan. Sige, so 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So 6:53 plus 20. 6:55. Lagyan natin 6:55. So 05, 15. So dapat tapos ka ng ano, 7:15, tama? Tama, 7:15. So 21 minutes. Okay? Start.
Okay. Sir, is okay na?
Sige, send mo sa akin kung tapos na. Meron ko pang 5 minutes, ha? 6 minutes pa nga, oh. Para ma-check ko. Sige. Okay, tingnan ko nga to. Anong type of letter to?
Semi-formal.
Semi-formal. Okay, very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ano pa
1,
yun?
2, 3.
Hindi ako
Okay.
sure sa...
Yours sincerely. Okay, very good. Tama yung structure mo. Tama naman. Okay.
Ano na sinasabi ko.
Okay, very good, very good. Kasi meron na describe the situation. Okay, tama naman. Explain the problems. Okay, tama naman. Explain mo naman yung problem. Pero yung mga sentences lang kasi masyado siyang simple. Puro simple yung ginamit mo. So, dapat gumamit ka ng mga complex sa compound complex, ha?
Okay.
Pero
Okay,
maganda
coach.
yung writing mo. Pero kung makagamit ka ng mga ibang sentences, types of sentences, mga complex, ganyan, mas maganda. Pero maganda to. Okay na tong writing task on mo. Good job, good job. So most likely, baka maka 6.5 ka pa dito. 6.5. Gamit ka ng mga complex, mas maganda. Okay?
Okay, coach.
Very good, very good. Alright, so ready ka na. Yung reading na lang, pagpraktisan mo.
Okay,
Okay, yung
coach. Yun
reading
na
na
lang
lang.
talaga.
Kasi walang problema eh. Okay, pero next week, meron pa naman ako mock test next week. So pwede ka pang
Okay.
sumali. Pasasalihin kita next week. Pero 4 p.m. yun.
Okay,
Yung
coach.
mock test ko next week, 4
Anong
p.m.
day?
Mga Wednesday. Wednesday.
Okay, coach. 4
Wednesday.
p.m.
Kung makasali ka Wednesday, di mas maganda.
Okay,
Okay?
coach.
Sa Wednesday, ano yung mock test ko? Listening at saka writing task 2. Yun yung na-miss mo, yung sa Wednesday.
Sige,
Yun yung
coach.
hindi mo nasalihan. Nag-send pa ako ng list ng reading homework. Pagpraktisan mo pa yan.
Medyo
Okay?
mag-practice pa ako sa speaking. Medyo kinabahan ako.
Yung speaking. Yung speaking.
Okay, coach.
Nawala ka sa speaking eh. Doon lang naman sa part 2, pero yung part 1, okay naman, wala namang problema. Sa part 2 lang talaga yung pagpraktisan mo, ha. Dagdagan pa natin yung listening homework para makapag-practice ka rin. So
Okay.
meron kang reading tsaka listening homework diyan. Okay, so Wednesday, ha, wag mo kalimutan, Wednesday 4
4
p.m.
o'clock.
4
Okay,
p.m.
coach. Salamat, coach.
Okay, sige. I'll see you on Wednesday.
Okay,
Okay,
coach.
bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.